So I'm just going to get straight into it. I'm not going to waste you guys' time because you guys come to see the tutorial of me lightening my own hair. So today I'm going to be lightening, and I'm also going to be semi-permanently coloring my hair like an orangey sort of red. And then I'm also going to retouch my roots. I'm going to do it black. So yeah. So I'm going to show you what you need for the tutorial. You need these packets here. I got at least 2 of them. That's lightening bleach, BW2, 30 volume. So I'm going to mix it with 30 volume bleach. And then the semi-permanent colors I'm going to be using is the Kiss colors, Tintation Flaming Orange, and then also Hawaiian Fire. I'm going to mix them too for the tips of my hair. And then I'm going to use this for the roots, the black. So yeah, I'm going to get straight into that. So check you guys back. And I also forgot to add that you'll need rubber gloves, and you also need foil for the lightener to develop. Several pieces of cut up foil.
Had a little technical difficulties before because the microphone wasn't picking up properly. But what you have to do, you have to keep on mixing the lightener and the developer until it turns a toothpaste consistency.
Okay, I just finished applying the lightener on my head. You can see like the color is changing already. It took me about 20 minutes to apply to my whole head. You see the whole thing changing already? So I'm just applying that all the way from where the previous lightening is and just bringing the lightener down and applying that with the brush. So, and as you can see, my hair is already lightening already. So I'm just going to wash that out. I'm going to wash out the back and just let the front just take in the color a little bit better. So yeah, pretty easy. That's all you do, just apply it like that. Make sure that it's all fully coated. And I'm going to take the foil, place it so, and wrap it. So there you go, too easy. So now what I'm going to do is wash it out, and I'm going to show you how it turned out. Okay, hey everyone, I'm back. I'm here for the big reveal. So let's see how it turned out. It actually turned out alright. So I'm not going to leave it like that, obviously. I'm going to be putting the semi-permanent colors in there. So I feel this is a good base for it. So right now I'm just going to let my hair take a little bit of, just to dry up a little bit so I can proceed on to the semi-permanent color. So, okay, I'm back and my hair has air dried a lot more. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the black tintation to my roots right now. So let's go straight into it and let's do that. So I'm taking the tintation and just putting that into the bowl. And then I'm just going to apply that to my roots. And then I'm just going to apply that to my roots. Hey, I'm back, and right now I'm just doing the roots. I covered my whole head already, but I'm just going to show you the technique that I did. There you go, I'm just applying it so. And as you can see, all the hair, I covered all the front. Just making sure that I just saturate the roots alone when I'm applying with the black color. And then now I'm going to rinse it out and then I'm going to get straight on to the rest of it. Put my hair in to process a little bit in the plastic cap, so I'm just going to let that sit for about 10 minutes or so, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and then we're going to get into the fun colors. Okay everyone, I just finished applying the color to my roots, the dark color. So what I'm going to do now is continue on to apply the orange and pink color onto the tips of my hair. So I'm just going to take the brush and get a decent amount, and I'm just going to color them one by one. You see that? I drenched all of them, and what I'm going to do is this, I'm going to continue on to the rest of my head, and then I'm going to show you the final result once I rinse it out. So I'm going to leave it in, once I apply it, I'm going to leave it in for like about half an hour or so, and then I'm going to rinse it out, and then I'm going to show you the final reveal. Excuse me, I'm looking a little bit of a mess at the moment. You can remove that with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. I have that around the house, so I'm going to use that to remove it, so no worries for me. So continuing on with that, I'm just going to show you how I applied the hair color all around my tips. Bowl brush, I take a little so and just been applying it on the ends of my hair. So I'm going to let that sit in for about 15 to 30 minutes, and I'm going to put this cap in, and then I'm going to show you how it's going to look like in the end. Hey, it's the final reveal. As you can see, my hair turned out a really nice crimson color. To me, it turned out really nice and even, so I'm happy with the results. So yeah, that's a wrap, you guys. If you're interested in my content, if you like my content, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe, and you'll be seeing this face more often. Bye bye.